Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Maja_KE. If you are new here, guys, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, watching the video till the end, guys. And a beautiful morning here in Africa, East Africa to be precise. It's 6 in the morning, guys. Maybe you will be wondering where Maja is going and what Maja is up to, guys. It's a good day today that God has blessed us with, and we are traveling to somewhere, and you guys just keep on tuned and see where we are going to. I have my mom here, and I'm sitting at the back of this car, and my mom is just here. Mom, say hi.
Hi, good morning, or good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. We are traveling to somewhere, a secret agenda. We'll tell you later where we are going to. Keep on watching. God bless you.
Yeah, so guys, that is my mom. They call her village grandma. So we woke up very early in the morning to travel to somewhere, and it's just a good day. We are so happy. We are very, very happy that we are going to give you something also that I think it has been long since you guys saw this, and now today you're going again to see this, guys. For me personally, I'm so happy. Let's say it's a secret agenda, guys, but I hope you guys have been good since some few days, 2 to 3 days. I hope you guys are doing well. I really missed you, but now we are back, and yeah, full time we are back, and I'm so happy that this is happening. Things have been good. I can say things have been good. Everything is well. I don't know if our driver can see something. Yes, we have our driver here.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sergio. I'm concentrating here. You know, we have a special person here, mom, in the car, so we have to be very punctual on the road. Actually, guys, go and support _KE. He's doing well in the video. Yeah, we are going in a secret agenda. You'll see at the end of the video where we are going and what we are going to do. Yes. Keep locked.
Keep locked. So guys, it's 6, yes?
Yeah,
6 in the morning here in Africa, guys. So yeah, we have, that is a fork. Yeah, we have a fork here. So guys, keep on tuned and see what is coming up, guys. Yeah guys, the sun is shining from that end, guys. Guess where we are at? This is the airstrip. Sorry because of the sound. It's very early in the morning, so this is the airstrip we have here in our village, Migori County. This is the one and only airstrip we have here, guys. So wow, I really like the sun shining from that end, guys. Yeah, you can see how the sun is shining over there. So yeah, we are finally here, guys, and I'm really happy. This is my first time to be in this airstrip, and it looks really good, guys. Wow, this is how it looks like. Yes, so guys, you can guess why I'm here and why I came here with my mom. It's so special, and I'm so happy. It's now about now it's 7. I think it's about a few minutes. We have few minutes so that the plane can land here. Planes can land here in this airstrip, and we are here, guys, to receive a guest that is so special to especially me and our family, my mom, my dad, and the entire family, guys. I'm so happy to be here again. And as I said, this is my first time to be in this airstrip, and I think it has been here for some, not even years, for some 1 year and some months. So this is my first time. So guys, this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. So everything here is good. I think this is one of the best in, not even one of the best. This is the best because we only have this one in our village that is Migori County. So we only have this one, guys. So I think this is the best. So guys, let's wait and see how everything goes on, how the I can hear a sound coming like a plane. So we just have to wait, guys, and see how the plane lands. I've never been on a plane. I've never been like on air, but today I'm here to see how people land. Yeah, and people they go up. I don't know how to say that, but anyway, guys, keep on tuned. I can hear some sound of a plane, but anyway, guys, keep on tuned, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Maja_ke is on the road to 15,000. Kindly subscribe, support, share. Yeah, guys, you never know. So we are here, guys. I'm so happy. Yeah. Yeah, guys, finally, I'm so happy to see you again, sister. How are you doing?
Doing fine. I thank God for the church mercy. I'm grateful I'm home, and I'm grateful you guys have come to me. I've been here for like 2 weeks, and let me go back for my second. First one didn't well. I'm still recuperating. I don't have appetite. There's so much going on. Glory to God, because if the neighbor came to me here, I didn't know I would even travel, but this environment got me through. So yeah, you'll be seeing more of me, although I'll be a bit low, but I thank God because I've been with my spirit. So welcome to Margaret's channel. Thanks, congratulations for 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.
So, guys, I know you thought I'm traveling, but I was coming to pick my sister, and I'm so happy she's here, guys. We'll be getting more of that. So, yeah, I'm happy. So, guys, let's go back home.